Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care to address a common concern, thinning hair. If you're seeking a solution without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Join us as we unveil the top contenders for the best drugstore shampoo for thin hair. Say goodbye to limp locks and hello to fuller, more voluminous hair with our expert recommendations. Let's embark on this journey to thicker, healthier-looking hair together. Number 1. Vanicream Shampoo. A pH-balanced, mild formula meticulously crafted for sensitive scalps and delicate hair. This gentle shampoo is designed to cleanse effectively without causing irritation or stripping the scalp of its natural oils. Experience unparalleled effectiveness as the Vanicream shampoo gently removes dirt, oil, and buildup, leaving hair feeling clean, soft, and manageable. The pH-balanced formula ensures compatibility with all hair types, making it suitable for the entire family. The minimalist design of the packaging reflects Vanicream's commitment to simplicity and efficacy. The flip-top cap allows for easy dispensing, while the sturdy bottle ensures durability, making it ideal for daily use. Formulated without common irritants such as fragrance, dyes, parabens, and sulfates, Vanicream shampoo is hypoallergenic and dermatologist-tested, making it suitable for individuals with sensitive skin and scalp conditions. And with its affordable price point, Vanicream shampoo offers exceptional value for a high-quality, dermatologist-recommended product. Say goodbye to scalp irritation and hello to clean, healthy hair with Vanicream shampoo. Number 2. Maui Moisture Thicken and Restore Plus Bamboo Fibers Shampoo. A revitalizing hair care solution meticulously crafted to amplify volume and rejuvenate your locks. Formulated with a unique blend of bamboo fibers, castor oil, and neem oil, this shampoo provides a boost of hydration and strength, promoting thicker, fuller-looking hair. Experience unparalleled effectiveness as the shampoo gently cleanses while adding body and bounce to your strands, leaving hair feeling soft, smooth, and voluminous. Bamboo fibers fortify each strand, while castor oil and neem oil nourish the scalp, reducing breakage and promoting healthier hair growth. The sleek and modern design of the packaging adds a touch of sophistication to your shower routine, while the convenient pump dispenser ensures easy and mess-free application. Built for long-term use, this shampoo delivers consistent results, ensuring your hair stays thick, healthy, and beautiful with continued use. And with its affordable price point, achieving salon-worthy results has never been more attainable. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless hair and hello to bouncy, full-bodied locks with Maui Moisture Thicken and Restore Plus Bamboo Fibers Shampoo. Number 3. OGX Thick and Full Plus Biotin Collagen Extra Strength Volumizing Shampoo with Vitamin B7, a powerhouse formula crafted to boost volume and vitality in your hair. Enriched with biotin, collagen, and vitamin B7, this shampoo delivers a potent blend of nutrients that promote thicker, fuller-looking locks. Experience unparalleled effectiveness as the shampoo gently cleanses while infusing your strands with hydration and strength. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, fortifies each hair strand from within, while collagen adds volume and bounce, leaving hair feeling soft, smooth, and voluminous. The sleek and stylish design of the packaging adds a touch of luxury to your shower routine, while the flip-top cap ensures easy and mess-free dispensing. Built for long-term use, this shampoo delivers consistent results, ensuring your hair stays thick, full, and beautiful with continued use. And with its affordable price point, achieving salon-worthy results has never been more accessible. Say goodbye to flat, limp hair and hello to bouncy, voluminous locks with OGX Thick and Full Plus Biotin Collagen Extra Strength Volumizing Shampoo with Vitamin B7. Elevate your hair care routine and unlock the secret to thicker, more vibrant hair that shines with health and vitality. Number 4. 8 Nourishing Hair Shampoo. an EU-verified formula meticulously crafted to provide gentle yet effective cleansing for your hair. Formulated with natural, hypoallergenic ingredients, this shampoo nourishes and hydrates the scalp while promoting healthy hair growth. Experience unparalleled effectiveness as the shampoo gently removes dirt, oil, and buildup, leaving hair feeling clean, soft, and refreshed. The EU verification ensures that the formula meets strict safety standards, giving you peace of mind about the ingredients you're putting on your hair and scalp. The sleek and minimalist design of the packaging reflects ATI2D's commitment to simplicity and sustainability. The flip-top cap allows for easy dispensing, while the sturdy bottle ensures durability, making it ideal for daily use. And with its affordable price point, ATI2D Nourishing Hair Shampoo offers exceptional value for a high-quality, eco-friendly product. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to clean, healthy hair with ATI2D Nourishing Hair Shampoo. Number 5. Maui Moisture Lightweight Hydration Plus Hibiscus Water Conditioner, a refreshing hair care solution meticulously formulated to hydrate and revitalize your locks. Crafted with a unique blend of hibiscus water, passion fruit, and watermelon, this lightweight conditioner provides intense hydration without weighing hair down. Experience unparalleled effectiveness as the conditioner replenishes moisture and detangles strands, leaving hair feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. The hibiscus water helps to hydrate and nourish, while passion fruit and watermelon extract add a boost of vitamins and antioxidants, promoting healthy-looking hair. The sleek and modern design of the packaging adds a touch of sophistication to your shower routine, while the flip-top cap ensures easy and mess-free dispensing. Built for long-term use, this conditioner delivers consistent results, ensuring your hair stays hydrated and beautiful with continued use. And with its affordable price point, achieving salon-worthy results has never been more attainable. Say goodbye to dry, dull hair and hello to silky smooth locks with Maui Moisture Lightweight Hydration Plus Hibiscus Water Conditioner. Number 6. Unite Hair 7cc Shampoo, a premium hair care solution designed to provide rapid and effective cleansing for all hair types. Crafted with precision and expertise, this shampoo features a unique blend of ingredients that gently remove impurities without stripping hair of its natural oils. Experience unparalleled effectiveness as the shampoo works its magic in just 7 seconds, leaving hair feeling clean, refreshed, and rejuvenated. The lightweight formula is enriched with essential nutrients and antioxidants to nourish and strengthen each strand, promoting healthier-looking hair with every wash. The sleek and modern design of the packaging adds a touch of sophistication to your shower routine, while the easy-to-use flip-top cap ensures convenient and mess-free dispensing. Built for long-term use, this shampoo delivers consistent results, ensuring your hair stays clean and beautiful with continued use. While Unite Hair 7cc shampoo may come at a slightly higher price point, its high-quality formulation and rapid cleansing action make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking salon-worthy results. Say goodbye to long shampooing sessions and hello to clean, vibrant hair in seconds with Unite Hair 7cc shampoo. Elevate your hair care routine and experience the ultimate in efficiency and effectiveness. Number 7. Olaplex No. 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo, a revolutionary formula designed to refresh and volumize hair between washes. Crafted with advanced technology and high-quality ingredients, this dry shampoo effectively absorbs excess oil and impurities while providing a boost of volume and texture. Experience unparalleled effectiveness as the dry shampoo revitalizes and cleanses hair without leaving behind any residue, leaving your locks feeling clean, fresh, and full of body. The lightweight formula is suitable for all hair types and textures, making it a versatile addition to your hair care routine. The sleek and modern design of the packaging adds a touch of sophistication to your beauty arsenal, while the easy-to-use spray nozzle ensures precise application and distribution. Built for convenience, this dry shampoo is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups and styling emergencies, ensuring your hair looks its best no matter where you are. While Olaplex No. 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo may come at a higher price point, its high-quality formulation and effectiveness make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking salon-worthy results. Say goodbye to greasy, limp hair and hello to fresh, voluminous locks with Olaplex No. 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo. Elevate your hair care routine and experience the transformative power of Olaplex. Thank you for watching our guide to the best drugstore shampoo for thin hair. Don't let thinning hair hold you back. With the right shampoo, you can achieve fuller, more voluminous locks without breaking the bank. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and product recommendations. Let's embrace thicker, healthier hair together. Until next time, stay fabulous.